4. f of x equal to 4 raised to the x. Find each of the following. So our first one we want to go ahead and evaluate is f of negative 2. So all we really need to do is plug in that negative 2 into our function every single time we see x. So f of negative 2 is going to get me 4 raised to the negative 2. Another way we could write this, since we're dealing with negative exponents, is 1 divided by and then 4 squared, which will give me 1/16. Okay, let's go ahead and look at f of 5 and go ahead and try to evaluate it. So same thing, we're going to go ahead and take our 5 and plug it into our function every single time we see an x. So that will get me 4 raised to the 5th, or 1024. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and evaluate this 2/3. So again, every single time we see an x, we're going to go ahead and replace it with this 2/3 here. So that will get me 4 raised to the 2/3. And another way that we can write this is that the top number is what we raise it to, and the bottom is going to be our radical here. So we can rewrite this by saying the cubed root of 4, and then go ahead and take that quantity and square it. So that should get us approximately 2.52. Okay, so now we have d. We want to go ahead and evaluate this 2.15 into our function. So again, every single time we see an x, we want to go ahead and replace it with this 2.15. So that should get us a 4 raised to the 2.15, or in other words, 19.698.